What's up, guys? It's Eric with Grill Slingers. Today, we're coming at you with a little twist. Today, we're going to show you how to make a smoked cheese grilled cheese. That sounds weird, right? What are we recording again? Grilled cheese. Shit,
We're releasing it for National Grilled Cheese Day, right?
Hey friends, want to see how to take a 5-minute sandwich and stretch it into a 15-minute video?
I don't even need to do the intro now. Are we releasing it on National Grilled Cheese Day? Or is it like... Today, we're coming at you with a twist on an American classic that takes a little more effort than it should. Smoked grilled cheese. Let's go. So, smoking cheese is something that's been happening for centuries. It's a pretty common process. You'll honestly find plenty of varieties of smoked cheese at most of your like gourmet markets, things like that, where you'll see like smoked cheddar, smoked Gouda. I don't want to put in all that work, and we're just going to simplify this because smoking cheese is actually a pretty time-intensive process. Normally, you take a whole block of cheese, you cold smoke it, you let it sit for 24 hours, and then you have to vacuum seal it and let it sit for like 2 weeks, and that takes forever. I want it now. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually strip down that process to where it's only going to take us about 30 minutes to get the cheese prepped, and then we'll go ahead and build a sandwich. So consider this more of like a basics on how to smoke small quantities of cheese. We're talking about barbecue smoke, not anything else. The first thing that we are going to do is we're going to bring out some cheese. I've got some Gouda. This is aged. And then we've also got some sharp cheddar. Instead of smoking the whole block, what we're actually going to do is shred this and then cold smoke it on our barbecue. We're going to use a technique where we bring out a bowl of ice. And then we're gonna have to use basically another bowl. Place that down here, shred some cheese, put it in this bowl, cold smoke it for about 30 minutes. And because we have much more surface area on the cheese, it'll pick up the flavor quicker, and it should be less acrid since we're keeping the temperature low. So let me go ahead and get it open. And go ahead and start with the sharp cheddar. And if you're doing multiple sandwiches, feel free to just go nuts on this. Or if you got, somebody in your life that enjoys cheese a little too much, you're gonna want to put a lot. That's enough cheddar. Now we're gonna move on to the Gouda. Now Gouda will typically be sold with a rind. I would recommend we take that out. So we got our cheese all shredded. Feel free to kind of mix it up a little bit. So again, this is sitting in an ice bowl. This is going to keep the cheese from melting prematurely because premature meltation is a real problem. We don't want it to actually melt inside the bowl. We're going to want it to melt in the sandwich. So just kind of press it up against the sides of the bowl to kind of maximize how much cheese is actually getting a little bit of that smoky flavor. Brush the rest on the ground so your dogs can enjoy some. And we're going to set this aside. You don't want to do this on a full fire smoker. It's going to be too much heat. The cheese is going to melt pretty much instantly. What I recommend is either using like a pouch with pellets or wood chips, or you can use a smoke tube. I can't find my smoke tube right now, so we're going to make our own little pellet pouch. All right, so our makeshift pellet tube is going. We got our cheese on the smoker. We're going to let that sit for 30 minutes, no longer than that. Kind of check it at 15 minutes to make sure it's not melting. If it starts melting, pull it up. 30 minutes, that's all we're going to do, and we'll check back with you in 30. All right, so our cheese has been on the smoker for about 30 minutes, so we're gonna go ahead and take it out. Just so you can get kind of a look here. We just started to get some sweat on the cheese, so that's a good sign that it's pretty much ready to go. I'm gonna take a little nibble, just to see how it came out. That's perfect. You get this nice little kiss of smoke on there. It's not acrid, it doesn't taste dirty like you get when you're running full heat. That's really good. We're gonna go ahead and build our sandwich. If you've never made a grilled cheese before, I don't know what's wrong with you, but so we have got some sourdough, which is the best bread to make a grilled cheese. If you don't agree with me, then you're just wrong. We're gonna use some ghee, which is a clarified butter. So all the salt has been removed. It's pretty much just butter fat. I'm probably completely wrong on that. If I am, just drop a comment below. Let's go ahead and get some on there. If I have my cutting board, I can put these down. Alright, so get some ghee on the bread. Okay, put that down. Grab a handful of our cheese here.
E is clarified butter, aka butter that has been simmered down and strained to remove all water.
If you want to take this up to the next level, which we just had the clarity to do, you're going to want to take some Parmesan, parm on the top. So our sandwiches are done. Let's go ahead and take a bite, see how we're doing. That's the best grilled cheese I've ever had. Yeah, I'm a grilled cheese snob. You get a really nice char for the cast iron skillet. The smoked cheese is just, it's real nice. It's not this acrid taste. It's really mellow. Just completely changes what you would normally expect from a grilled cheese. If you like this recipe, please remember to like and subscribe. Drop a comment below if you think I did anything wrong, which I never do. If you wasted your time on this, drop a comment too, because someone else did that on one of our other videos. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. There's like 18,000 social media sites. I don't know which one to follow us on. Just do it. And we will see you next time. And happy National Grilled Cheese Day.